I've got 4 of these farmhouse style cabinet doors that I'm going to be restoring. These are from a house that is 110 years old. You can really see what time has done to this really beautiful design. I'm first going to need to disassemble this cabinet door. So I've got panel number 1 mounted and secured in my window, and I've taped over some tracing paper. I'm going to be using some charcoal pastel and basically do a rubbing so that I can accurately capture all of this detail. Back in the studio now with the original panel as well as the template, as I now disassemble this panel. So the painting on this piece is finished now. All of the clear glass has been cleaned, gotten all of the cement and debris off. All the broken pieces have been replaced. So working on the assembly now. This is going to be the next piece that I'm going to place. We're going to fit it into the channels of these 4 pieces. This is a relatively straightforward piece. This should slip right into place. And we're at the final stages now of restoring these beautiful 110-year-old stained glass cabinet doors. Last step is to secure them in their original cabinetry. I've got some clear silicone here. And that fits right in there. And next we have these wooden strips that I had to remove, and unfortunately I wasn't able to keep. There we go. The end result is this beautiful, restored, fully colored cabinet door.